Now your Storm Track weather with Ashton Rizzo.
Good evening and welcome back. Today was another hot summer-like day, and as we continue into tonight, a few filtering clouds will push in and a few storms even for our western counties as we head into the overnight hours. But our greatest chance of precipitation is going to hold off as we head into later on Friday. That's going to be where we have storms developing just along and on a cold front that's going to push through, and that's going to help to drop our temperatures not significantly but noticeably as we head into this weekend. So a slight cool down for this weekend as we have temperatures topping off into the middle 80s. So not bad for Saturday and Sunday. And then our next chances of rain will push in once again as we head into early of next week. So for tonight, we are staying just mostly clear at the moment. We have this clear sky with our Holton camera. You can see that flag blowing in the wind. Winds have been gusting near 20 miles per hour for this afternoon. And similar look with our downtown Manhattan camera, clear sky overhead. However, though, we have a chance of those storms pushing into our western counties later tonight, bringing in a few of those clouds with it. Today, though, we started off at 72 degrees, got up to 95 degrees. So today and yesterday, we hit middle 90s, the hottest 2 days of the season yet so far. So we've kind of had a tamed summer up to this point, but we are at 95 degrees in Topeka now. We are sitting at 96 for Manhattan, and we are at 96 for Clay Center. However, though, Hiawatha and Sabetha at 94 and 92. That's actually where dew points are a bit higher, so higher humidity but lower temperatures, so it's still feeling quite humid and muggy out there. Winds are staying from the south near 15 miles per hour, gusting close to 20. Those taper off as we head into the overnight hours, and then tomorrow winds stay constant from the southwest near 10 to 15 miles per hour. So we're going to have the winds from the south, a nice breeze with it, and then storms push in for the second half of tomorrow as well. Looking mostly clear at the moment, but you can notice a few showers and storms starting to develop just to the north of us, further into the Nebraska side, or over the Nebraska border, I should say. And along that front, we do have storms starting to fire up and develop. So we do have this small chance of seeing a few storms hit our western counties later tonight. But like I said, that greater chance of precipitation moves in for Friday. So there goes those few isolated showers and storms hitting our western counties for the overnight hours. Those fizzle out very quickly. We wake up on Friday morning looking mostly clear across the area, just a few passing clouds. And as we continue into Friday afternoon, we're going to see just a few stray showers throughout the afternoon on Friday before this front pushes in into the early evening hours, and then storms will develop and push further towards the southeast as these continue to move through. But the strongest storms are going to favor just to the north and to the northeast of us. Slightly outside of our area is where most models are showing the strongest of the storms to be. So if you're in more of central Kansas tomorrow, you might actually miss out on these storms. That pushes through and clears out, and behind it a clear sky and somewhat cooler temperatures as we head into this weekend as well. So this yellow shaded region is our slight chance of seeing severe weather for tomorrow. So like I said, much of the north and to the northeast, but Shawnee County, we're still in that slight risk for tomorrow. So make sure you're just staying weather aware, with some gusty winds and small hail could be possible through some of those storms. 93 degrees for Friday. Cooling off to 85 on Saturday and 87 there for Sunday. So kind of a nice weekend, not terrible. Here's a look with your full forecast. Temperatures push into the lower 90s by Monday and Tuesday, with another chance of precipitation by middle of next week.
You know, it's so hard being patient because this weekend has been on the 7 days since Sunday.
Yeah.
It is gradually getting closer, but it's not quite here yet.
Not quite here yet, but I will be so excited when it is.
I know. It looks like a dandy. Thank you so much, Ashton.